Alright guys, so yesterday and today in class we've been doing test corrections. And today in class I broke down this idea of this I can statement and grid for you that you can see in the grade book. So today what you're going to do is you're going to start with chapter 1. So you need your chapter 1 test out and your chapter 2 test, your laptop, and a positive attitude. So the first couple times you do this, it might take you a couple minutes to figure this out, but you'll be good to go. Okay, so what you're going to do first with this is you need to write all these targets down, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute, okay? You don't need to do this 2 points, okay, but you do need to know which problems were covered for that target. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Padlet.com. So it's Padlet.com/backboard or dashboard. So when you go, actually, let me log out and see what you'll see. You're going to go to Padlet.com. You're going to press sign up, it's free, and sign in with your Gmail account. Okay, I've already created one, so I'm going to log in with my Google account. I'm going to log in. It's coming. Okay, and I've already made a Padlet. What you're going to do is press this button that says make a Padlet. When you do that, you're just going to do the wall, okay, because that's just easy. We'll get into these fancy ones later. But the wall is nice, short, and easy. You're going to press select. For me, I'm going to show you what I did. So when you go in, it says test reflections. I want you to name your first Padlet. Instead of test reflections, I want you to label that chapter 1 for chapter 1, and then you'll have a separate Padlet for chapter 2. So it's not just going to be test reflections. One's for chapter 1 and one's for chapter 2. So what you're going to do is you are going to go in and you are going to edit this. You're going to make these boxes, okay? Notice how I put target 1. I can identify positive and negative square roots and cubes. So what you're going to do is you're going to write the target. That's either online in your grade book or you can look up at the front board. You're going to say for this target, okay, you're going to talk about what common mistakes were you making for those questions. Okay, what were your overall thoughts for that target? And you're also going to take pictures. Maybe it's a picture of what you did well. Maybe it's a couple of what you did not do well. When you click on, when you click on this, okay, and you're typing, you can upload a video or snap a picture, okay? You can, and the idea of snapping a picture, I want it to be your work. You can link something, all right? You can also do all of these options. So I want you guys to kind of get fancy. You can draw. You can voice record if you would much rather just talk about what you did incorrect with a picture. I'm totally fine with that. Get creative, okay? So for chapter 1, you guys should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 targets, okay? And I should see a few of these pictures that are associated with that target. So you should have 8 target boxes for chapter 1. Okay, I want you to go through and do some reflections. What'd you do well on? What'd you not do well on? Okay, and then I also want to see a box that says moving forward. Moving forward, I need to check my work and think about when I need positive and negative signs. Give us some reflection, all right? This is your online portfolio that you're taking to the high school. So I'm giving you the whole weekend to do this, all right? I am going to be grading your online portfolios and your test corrections. So when I look for online portfolios, I want to see you have all 8 targets in for chapter 1, and you do the same for chapter 2. Now, chapter 2 targets are in the grade book. I don't have them posted up here yet. They're all in the grade book. So same thing, get creative, mess around with this, see what you can do. When you're done, I want you to press share. Okay, you're going to add a member, and you are going to type in my email address. Either, let's see if it comes up. Let's see. Nope, it does not come up. So what I'm going to do is have you guys, there should be a way to email it or share it on Google Classroom. Let's share it on Google Classroom. We're going to figure this out tomorrow. I'm still kind of going through to figure this out. Why don't I just have you email it to me actually and have it say your first name, your last name, and your chapter 1 portfolio. Okay, so my email address is jswiderski, and instead of this, hey, what have I checked out on Padlet, I want you to write chapter 1 portfolio. Okay, then I'm going to have you also do this for chapter 2. So chapter 1 and chapter 2 online portfolios are going to be due on Monday, and you're going to conference with me on Monday as you start your chapter 3 notes. If you have questions, call me over. I want you guys to get creative and have fun with this, and I want to make I want you to make it your own, but also have time to reflect on what you have learned or what you want to improve on. So I highly suggest actually putting the pictures in, maybe making some extra boxes, and by double clicking, maybe you say target to voice reflection. So maybe it's in addition to this picture, you want to voice record your current thoughts on that. Okay, get creative, give it time, make this awesome, because this is something you can share with your high school class. You can share it with your high school teachers. They all know you're making these, so they're really excited to see what you can do. I'm looking forward to seeing what you do.